Hello everyone, good morning and namaste. Welcome back to drawing class. How are you all? Hope all are safe at home. Are you all enjoying the online drawing class? Are you all practicing strokes, curves, shades regularly, children? Wow, good job. Hope all have completed the part 1 video. I think you have selected the same picture I have shown. I would like to share another quote this week. Drawing is an exercise for a restless imagination. Yes, drawing is an exercise to brain. While doing drawing, you won't feel restless or boring. It is a process of colorful imagination. Before going to our session, shall we do some warm up? So get ready with paper and pencil. Are you ready? Okay. Start. Draw alphabet C without lifting your hand. Then draw reverse C as shown in video. Complete full paper like this. Please remember one rule that you should not lift your hand while drawing curves from top of the page to the bottom. Remember the rule? C, reverse C, C, reverse C. Wow. Now what do you see? Yeah, it's a snake design. Wow, very good job, children. Today we are going to learn. Do you know what is it? Can anyone guess? We have already done this kind of painting last year. That is in 7th class. It is very interesting. Before going to our session, I want to share about a festival. What is your favorite festival? Most of the children like Holi, right? It is colorful. We can play with so many colors, right? How do you enjoy Holi? We mix colors in water. And with pichkari we spray color water and also splash colors on others. Today we are going to start a new topic. Yes, it's a stencil and spray painting. What is spray painting? Spray painting is one of the painting technique to spray paint, ink, colors, etc. They are sprayed on the surface using brush, gun or color can. It can be done on many different surfaces such as paper, wood, metal, ceramic, canvas, glass, metal, etc. Then what is stencil? Stencil means a thin sheet of card with a pattern or letters cut out of it. Use it to produce a cut design on the surface below by the application of watercolor or ink. Stencil design such as alphabet scale in stencil, shape of fruits, vegetables, animals, birds, so many designs. So how to make a paper stencil? Step 1. Fold the paper into half. Step 2. Fold for the second time as shown in this video. Step 3. Then fold the middle to make a triangle. Step 4. Now draw the design on your choice and cut along it. On opening this paper, The stencil is ready. For this stencil and spray painting, we have so many methods. Today I am going to teach one method. The method is mix watercolor in a palette, dip toothbrush into the color and spray on the area to be colored using your index finger. Hold the brush pointing to the picture. Now take your drawing copy, go to page 40. Yes, this picture is done in this method. So, now we are going to do the spray painting on page 41. Now, procedure to be followed is: first step, fold the paper into half. Second step, draw the design as per your imagination. Then for color spray, using a cutter, carefully cut out along the outline of the picture to get the cutout of picture. Also keep hollow stencil. Keep the stencil at the top of the first square and spray any color on it. Later, keep the cutout at the top of the second square and spray the same color on it or any other color on it. Okay. Now, tools we require are pencil, paper, cutter, palette, one toothbrush and any medium of colors, watercolor, acrylic, anything. Shall we start? Now follow my instructions and observe the video carefully. Fold the paper into half. Draw the outline of the butterfly on it. By using cutter, cut the outline carefully and slowly. To get cutout of the butterfly as well as hollow stencil of the butterfly. Slowly and carefully, children. See the butterfly stencil and cutout of the butterfly stencil. Two types like this. Now mix poster color in water to get liquid color to spray. Test it once on waste paper. Dip the brush in the watercolor and test it on the waste paper as shown in the video. See the spray. Now hold the butterfly stencil at the center of the box, top of the box. Then take the toothbrush, dip in the color and spray in the area with index finger as shown in the video. When it is completely dry, take out the butterfly stencil from the spray area. Slowly take out. See, you will see the butterfly with full of butterfly in the colors. Similarly, in the next box, keep cutout of the butterfly and spray more than one color on it. I'm using 2 colors. Spray carefully, children. Now you can see the white butterfly in colors and colorful butterfly in the white background. Now put the stencil design and hold it under the colorful butterfly. Spray color for design. Around the stencil, please cover your book. Spray carefully. If you want, you can take 2 more colors also. To get the design attractive, beautiful. So like this, children, stick the stencil in the other side of the box. This is our stencil and spray work. Here are some more spray paintings. Stencil and spray paintings. Children, use your imagination and creativity and do some more spray paintings. Here are some more spray paintings. See. After drawing pictures, send them to your class teacher as per instructions. After doing this spray painting, send the images to your class teacher's instructions. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and whenever you have time, please practice drawing techniques, follow the techniques and basic of drawings in our rough books. Thank you and have a happy day. We'll meet in the next class. Bye. Thank you, children. Bye.